Welcome to Alliance Home Inspections Machaisport Episode 8, where we finalize the last few tasks like the water test and mold tests, and then carry our gear a quarter-mile to the Tidal Channel where we boat across to our high and dry vehicles and finish up to make plans for lunch. Grab your rubber duckies and your favorite paddle and ride along because we're riding with Troy.
Biggest thing is you want to try to give it as much of a chance to pass. So the filter's been removed. I bleached that earlier, and we're getting ready to sample now.
Okay.
I'm trying not to contaminate these. So the biggest thing I do is as I'm doing this, I don't talk because I don't want to get any saliva in there.
Sure. Nice.
There we are.
Presto.
Right back on. It's a beautiful home.
It's a beautiful place.
Yeah. Let's go take a mold test.
Okay.
So what we try to do is we try to set this up in a central location. We don't want it right next to a window or a door. Put it right on this desk right here.
Oh, there you go.
That's a good spot.
There we go. Oh, so it's sucking air through that filter, basically.
What we want to do is we want to stay away from it and not disturb it while it's doing its thing. As soon as it's done, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a sealable bag. We'll do an outside air sample for comparison, and then this will go off to the lab overnight.
All right. Cool. We finally completed all the inspections and tests, so we hike a quarter mile with all our gear to meet our yacht ride home. Watch how quickly the water rises around us. I brought my boots and my extra socks. Misty Harbor.
You guys go across and come back and grab that in mind.
Yeah, we'll be long gone before you guys are back. See you.
Are you taking the van or are you taking the truck?
I mean, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter to me.
I just want to make sure I get my stuff, that's all.
We live right across the street.
Yeah, oh no, it don't matter. I don't care.
No,
Hey, do you guys want to stop in to Barrington and get some Mexican food?
yeah. I'm down for that.
All right.
Yeah.
Where you want me to wait at?
It's the least I can do for you guys.
Huh?
Least I can do.
I know it.
So basically, we've completed the inspection today. We're making the final crossing. The Alliance van is over there. My truck's over there. We did a pretty successful inspection here. The only thing that came up as an issue was we came across a septic tank that was very deep in the ground. So try to figure out a plan for that in the future. Had about 2 feet of frost, which was an issue, but the guys pounded through that for 2 hours. They're loading up on the boat now, and we should be on our way here soon. So again, they're just making the crossing here. One thing that I train all these guys to do is they got to learn how to paddle in case they run into a situation like this. I don't know if it's quite legal because they don't have life jackets, but they're only going a short distance. This guy was nice enough to come over and help us out, and yeah.
Paddling the wrong direction.
Oh, you're going backwards, bud.
You gotta paddle backwards.
Have you ever paddled before?
You're going.
Yeah, I can tell, man.
That was the video of the day right there. Oh, he was wondering why his motor wasn't pushing you.
Oh, Kevin, we're gonna work on that this summer.
So the tide now, just since they left, has moved to where from where that foam was. But we had to move our gear. We could, because
So basically, we're on an island and we have no choice but to take a boat.
Right.
And if he doesn't come back in time, we're gonna have to move the stuff again.
Right.
But it was a good day.
It's an
The
excellent
guys
day.
worked awful hard today.
Yeah.
2 hours pounding away at a septic system. This is the stuff I talk about all the time.
Right.
Alliance Home Inspections goes way above and beyond to get stuff done.
Right. He's going back with the boat now.
Look at that! Look at that!
It's coming.
We're gonna have to move it again.
Crawling. We're surrounded by water.
That's the important stuff. That stuff.
This
can
stuff,
get wet all day.
stuff, right?
Yeah.
The rest of it,
Right.
no biggie.
You get some footage of.
I did. I went back down out there. I did a little tour of the beach.
Yeah. Look at that fill in right there, bud.
I know.
Look at that.
Reversing waterfall right here.
It's gonna meet here in a second
Yeah.
on both ends.
We're gonna
See it.
He's coming to rescue us.
She's coming in pretty quick now.
We may get our socks wet yet.
Yeah, we may.
Oh, he's good.
We're good. We don't mind. What do you got? Oh yeah, you got your tennis sneakers on.
Yeah. Oh, I ain't much.
Why don't you come over, Ed, and then
Okay.
him and I can go.
All right.
I'll hand you this stuff. We already moved our stuff 3 times already.
So
It's amazing how quick it comes.
make sure you don't pull the hole in the boat.
I can go in. My feet.
I got a pair of socks for you if you need it.
Nah. I'm gonna go in the back here.
We're in the deep water now.
Yeah, I can get up front. I can get us across.
Oh,
I'm the only guy that can paddle, other than you.
you don't have to walk through the boat. He brings the boat to himself. He's done this a couple times.
12 years
Yes, sir.
out on the island now, yeah.
Right. Troy's gonna have us there in a minute. Yeah, there'll be no driving across here now.
You got about 4 hours. 2 before low water and 2 after.
Right.
And then, you got,
Beautiful though.
unless you want to get wet. A little bit.
Right. We completed many tasks this morning, found 2 septic systems, tested the pump station, inspected 2 guest houses and the 4,400 square foot main house inside and out, performed a water flow test, a water chemical test, mold test, radon test, so many other things. This completes the series on Machaisport Inspections, but check out the growing playlist from Alliance Home Inspections, where you will find out more details about the various services they offer. In a future video, we will cover what a final report actually looks like as well. Whether you're an owner, a seller, buyer, or real estate agent anywhere in Maine, Alliance Home Inspections will do what it takes to get the job done, even while paddling across the ocean in 10-degree temps with 20-mile-an-hour winds. See you next time on Riding with Troy. I'm VJ Ed, and yet again, my socks are dry.